Hey, Hope, so great to see you.
Hey Sarah, I'm so excited to actually see you. It feels like it's been ages.
It certainly does. I think time at the moment feels a bit strange at the moment, really. But yeah, thanks so much for joining me and having a bit of a chat about what's happening with lending and mortgage broking during this unprecedented time. Um,
Yes.
I guess we'll jump into it. One of the big things, I guess, is that yes, you guys are still open, you are still operating, just with a few new procedures in place and in terms of meeting and a few new things happening for your clients as well.
Yes, so it's been, as you said, very unprecedented times, and it felt like, especially the first couple of weeks, that we were all living in a movie. It was very strange. So we're trying to be business as usual as much as possible. As you said, like we're not meeting with people face to face. We're just doing Zoom and Skype and FaceTime. So that's been a massive change for me because I always really try and push to get clients in to meet with me face to face because I just think it really builds that relationship from the start. But we've got to do the best that we can with what we're given, and we've all had to adapt to this new way of life to keep everyone safe. So that's been a huge change for us. But apart from that, it's, as I said, business as usual. We're still pushing through refinances. We've still got people buying properties, which has been really encouraging.
Yep.
With the people that are buying properties that had existing pre-approvals, we have had to move some of those to a different lender because some lender, assessment turnaround timeframes have really blown out.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I mean, it's definitely a new way of doing things for us brokers. But from when it all started happening, we sort of thought that there was going to be no way that we could do our job, and it all looked very doom and gloom. But I'm pretty happy with how it's all worked out so far. So it's just, I mean, trying to keep as normal as possible for as long as we can, just to see this pandemic out.
It's been amazing to see how many of us businesses have been able to adapt and use technologies and things that, before we could sort of weren't doing or were slow to act. Now we've sort of implemented that technology, to be able to help our clients in these new ways. And I'm sure it will certainly change the way we all do business from now on as well.
I was going to say, yeah, I really think I completely agree. I think that the technology side of things has probably changed a lot of businesses in the long term. My preference is to be in the office and to be in front of people, but it's great to know that I've adapted to this way as well, so I can sort of be a little bit more tangible in that sense.
Yeah, and for future when clients maybe have more difficulty coming in, now we'll all be more ready with another option.
Absolutely.
The other big thing at the moment that's happening is interest rates with, in our historic lows again, unprecedented levels of the interest rates. How are we seeing that in terms of financing of banks and non-bank lenders passing that on? Are there good deals to be had for people looking to get a loan?
Yeah, so we were really surprised that the RBA dropped the cash rate twice in such a short period of time. And a lot of lenders have moved their interest rates for, like compliance purposes. I can't really go too in depth about what offers there are and things, but just to generalize it, yes, interest rates are the lowest they've ever been. If you haven't reviewed your home loan within the last 12 months, with the rates that are on offer at the moment, you could save yourself, thousands of dollars each year. And there are also lenders that are offering a refinance rebate to help cover your costs to make the change. So there's definitely some good things out there, and I think it sort of came at a really good time to help the people that are on reduced income. Now if we refinance them, then their repayments are a lot more manageable, as I said, on the reduced income, or if they've gone down to single income, for families and things like that. So it was very timely.
It was. Well, thank you so much for your time, Hope, and answering those questions. And I'll put all the details of how people can get in touch with you if they'd like to have a Zoom chat and talk about their situation. And apologies
Sure.
for the sound of Spartacus drinking, but I guess that's what we're all dealing with working from home, is the dogs getting in on the Zoom action.
No, you're most welcome. And yeah, I would love to help anyone, or just even if it was a question that, you know, brokers are here for people to help, you know, get hold of the advice that they need in this very strange time. So yeah, thanks so much for having me. It's so good to see you again.
So good to see you, and look forward to seeing you again soon, hopefully in person.
Hopefully. Thanks, Sarah.